Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with eyeliner that fades halfway through the day, or mascara that smudges at the tiniest hint of humidity, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring a duo that promises to keep your eyes flawless from morning meetings to evening plans. The Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup-Proof Liquid Eyeliner and the Black Mega Volume Mascara in Very Black. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss honest beauty reviews like this. The Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup-Proof Liquid Eyeliner claims to deliver smudge-proof, flake-proof, even cry-proof wear. It comes with an ultra-fine brush tip designed for precision, letting you go from delicate thin lines to dramatic cat eyes effortlessly. Its tank delivery system ensures a steady flow of deeply pigmented black color with each application. On the mascara side, we have the Black Mega Volume Mascara, featuring a full spiral fiber brush to maximize volume while infusing lashes with vitamin E to soften, moisturize, and protect. Both are marketed as waterproof, sweat-proof, humidity-resistant, and smudge-resistant, basically promising to survive whatever your day throws at you. Using the eyeliner, I was impressed by how smooth the tip glided across my lid without tugging or skipping. The pigment is intense right from the first stroke, which means less layering and zero patchiness. I tested it through a full day that included coffee spills, a quick workout, and even a few emotional moments. No smudging, flaking, or fading in sight. The mascara applied evenly, giving my lashes a noticeable lift and dramatic volume without clumping. I could feel the difference vitamin E makes, as my lashes felt nourished and flexible rather than stiff. One tiny drawback is that the mascara wand can pick up a little too much product at first, so a quick wipe on the tube opening helps avoid overloading the lashes. What I love about this duo is how well it performs under real-life conditions. The eyeliner's precision tip makes intricate winged looks achievable even on a rushed morning. And the mascara really delivers a salon-worthy volume effect without needing multiple layers. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers ultra-natural lashes, the mascara might feel a touch heavy at maximum volume. In terms of value, both products are budget-friendly yet punch above their weight compared to higher-end alternatives. The eyeliner's staying power and the mascara's nourishing formula make worth every penny, especially if you're looking for long-lasting wear without constant touch-ups. Compared to other drugstore options, this duo holds its own against pricier competitors, particularly in pigment intensity and waterproof durability. Packaging feels solid and functional. The mascara tube is sleek, and the eyeliner's brush tip is well protected. Longevity is impressive too. Even after several weeks, performance remains consistent. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. For anyone exploring alternatives, a comparable budget option for eyeliner could be the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And for mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational offers a slightly different wand style, but similar volumizing effects. However, if staying power and pigmentation are your top priorities, Wet n Wild's duo is tough to beat at this price point. Overall, I'd say the Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup-Proof Liquid Eyeliner and Black Mega Volume Mascara deliver on their promises. They're perfect for anyone seeking bold, smudge-free eyes without breaking the bank. Whether you're headed to work, a night out, or just want reliable everyday makeup, this duo stands up beautifully. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. Don't forget, the link to grab these is in the comments below. If you've tried either of these products, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.